In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an imported bank statement in Xero. If you've imported the wrong file or duplicated a bank feed, removing that statement keeps your reconciliation tidy and your reports accurate. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary permissions in Xero and that you're certain this is the statement you want to remove. Deleting a statement will remove its lines and any reconciliations created from those lines. Invoices and bills won't be deleted, but they'll return to an unreconciled state. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, open the accounting menu. This is where all your core financial features live, including bank accounts and reporting. From there, choose bank accounts. You'll see a list of all the bank, credit card, and other cash accounts you've set up. Next, select the specific bank account that contains the imported statement you want to remove. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account by checking the account name and the last 4 digits if available. This helps avoid deleting the wrong data, especially if you manage multiple similar accounts. Inside the bank account, go to the bank statements area. This view shows your imported statement files and the date ranges they cover. If your list is long, use the on-page filters or sorting by date to quickly locate the correct import. Pay attention to the statement period and any reference details, so you're absolutely sure you've got the right one. When you've identified the statement you want to remove, tick the checkbox next to it. Selecting the checkbox tells Xero which statement file you intend to act on. If you only need to delete one file, make sure only that single checkbox is selected. Now click Delete. Xero will show a confirmation prompt so you can review your choice. This is your last chance to double check the date range and ensure there aren't any reconciliations you still need for reporting or audit purposes. To proceed, click Delete again to confirm. Xero will remove the imported statement and its lines. Any matches created from those lines are reversed, and invoices or bills that were reconciled will simply return to awaiting payment or awaiting reconciliation. That's it. You've successfully deleted an imported bank statement in Xero. As a best practice, consider exporting or noting key details before deleting if you need a historical record. And always verify you're in the correct bank account and statement period to keep your books clean and accurate.